was one way to start a video. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Dude, that was so epic. That was dope. That was everything I wanted it to be and more. I was naked when I came out.
I was opening my eyes behind you and I was like, and then I just saw it slice open and sucked me out.
I was trying to cut it and it wouldn't come open. I cut once and it just sucked me out of the hole.
I've always wondered what it felt like to be born, like to
my goodness.
like, be birthed. I felt it right there.
That was crazy. We thought we'd intro the video a little bit different today. If you guys enjoy stuff like that, let us know.
Welcome back.
Two shirtless friends.
This could be
my yard.
Dude,
I literally bought the pool
for this.
I bought the pool just for this intro. So oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm gonna wash off my back.
Get him here. Get him here. Get him. Get him here. Get him. Anyway, today we're escaping the new predatory saltwater pond. Brenton's here from Texas,
And I'm gonna help.
and he's gonna help. Now, as crazy as that intro is, before we get started today, here's a word from today's video sponsor. Don't you just hate when you're out here sweating, nothing's biting? It's the worst feeling ever, fishing and not catching. Today's video is sponsored by Fishing Clash, where you can fish in their own comfort of, well, pretty much anywhere you want, but you're home. One of the cool things about Fishing Clash is you could fish from just about anywhere, on a boat, on the land, and in so many different locations all around the world. Fishing Clash also has some of the most realistic graphics you'll ever see on a mobile game. Wanna verse me, Gio?
Are you kidding me?
I'd smoke you.
I'll clash it.
Okay. They've got duels, weekly competitions, and so much more for you to compete for. You'll have a blast versing your friends, and make sure you upgrade your reels, your lures, and all that good stuff so that you can do a little bit better than them, if you know what I'm saying. Keep it right between that box. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Who is that back there, Shawty? I got a shark.
Oh, that's sick. It shows you the
A
shark.
nosy shark, bro. Who needs to go fishing out here when you got right here? We're just slaying them. It's called a shark. Can't do that out here if you tried. This is truly a way for those who love the outdoor lifestyle, like Gio's doing right now, fishing, but straight from your cell phone right here. Literally could build your own fishing village. There's varieties of fish to catch, of course. Like I had said before, you could fish all around the world. There's competitive gameplay, upgrade your equipment like lures and rods, and of course, customization options. In 2024, Fishing Clashes became an official sponsor of Angler of the Year awards, including a $100,000 Bass Pro Tour Fishing Clash Angler of the Year. Some of the real-life events happening in the US will be replicated in the game with some of the same locations, where players could take part in virtual competitions and win in-game rewards. Now again, go to the link in the description, download Fishing Clash, or just use that little QR code on the screen, and use my special code that is Paul Goes Fishing for a $20 value reward, including 1 unique avatar, 1 mythical lure card, 50 luck power-up, and 30 weight power-ups. If fishing's not as good as you thought it was that day, and you're sitting out here like, where's the bite? Go take a seat on that bench right there. What are you looking at, dude? You'll probably catch more fish on Fishing Clash. Make sure to follow Fishing Clash on Instagram and Facebook to stay updated on all the latest news. Thanks so much, Fishing Clash, for sponsoring today's video. Without further ado, back at ya. We are inside the building now. As you can see, the new pond is so epic. I mean, the water is clear. The fish are going crazy. I just threw a piece of seaweed in there, and you can see they're just going nuts on that seaweed. Everything did good. We didn't lose a single fish through the entire transfer. They look happy, don't they? How could you not be inside this beautiful scape? It is incredible, and everything, like I had said, looks great. I took this video right here on my Instagram and Snapchat, and it was one of the most, like, it could really capture just the beauty of this. So I wanted to share it here on YouTube as well. If you don't follow me on my other socials, make sure to follow me on my other socials. This to me is like surreal. It's like the ultimate dream. It was one of the things that I've always wanted, and I like finally did it. We just like finally did it. And there's more to come. We're gonna eat some really, really cool stuff. Before we get started on, of course, the predatory pond right here where these fish used to be, getting ready to escape that, I got a lot of mysis shrimp right here inside this defrosting, and we're gonna feed these fish for the very first time on camera in the new pond. Crazy, this mysis shrimp is like bricked. Takes a while to defrost. We'll pour it right here, boom. The fish eat the bricks. The ones that don't fully defrost, they come up to the surface and eat right off the surface. But all the little Nemos, they hide in the corner right here. It's crazy. All those come out, and all the tiny, tiny fish in the rock start coming out when those mysis shrimp fall into the water. There's Tommy the puffer fish, all the damsels. Everyone starts coming out of the rocks to eat. But that right there is a light feeding on the saltwater reef pond. The mysis shrimp is flowing around and everyone's getting filled up. Over to here though, the old pond. As you can see, I've got to do a little bit of scrubbing, but for the most part, it's not that bad. I've got the existing stones up here as well. I've got some more rock over here. I have a new plan for this mangrove. I pulled the leaves off and I'm gonna bury just the branches as structure. I think it'd be cooler. And that mangrove really wasn't doing good in here, obviously, because it's inside. I didn't have the greatest lighting. It was living, but it wasn't the greatest. So we're gonna use the branches, what was left over at least. Obviously, all the rock from Carib Sea is still here. We have all this leftover rock from doing the scape in this pond. I've got some miscellaneous, like artificial coral, some rock. And I already went in the pond, took all the leaves and pretty much all the foam off these rocks that we used to keep them sturdy last time. Did all that already. And that's all like the trash that was in the pond. All we gotta do now is hop on into the... Look at the fish. See what I'm saying? I find fish. I found a fish. See that fish? See him? I'm still finding fish. This is like 4 or 5 days after the transfer, and I'm still finding the fish that come out of the sand. I'm gonna go get him. Ooh, gotcha. And check this out. 2 hermit crabs as well. Later, dude. See you later, buddy. And oh, I saw you go back in there. Our 2 hermit crabs as well. Now I just noticed, before we get to escaping, I know I've been pushing it off a little bit, but I haven't given you guys an update on the stuff around the farm in a little bit, like our new frog, our shark, and stuff like that. So quickly, an update on everything. Here is the frog enclosure. If I lift this up, there's both of our frogs. Cornelius is on the right, and the other new one. I won't lie to you, I have yet to pick an official name for our other frog that we had rescued. These are from the Asian food market. We rescued them. If you guys are not familiar with that video, probably watch it. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my gosh, there he is. Oh my goodness. The #1 comment, and this comment has 808 likes, so a lot of likes. Commented by Hyper Hannah, says, name him Augusta. Augusta, that's epic. I love that name. So, Augusta and Cornelius are 2 American bullfrogs that are now inside the enclosure. Shout out to Hannah, thanks for commenting. Y'all commented so many names, thousands of names, and I appreciate every single one of you for commenting. Hannah did take the W though. Inside our shark tub, this thing is so epic, it's just temporary. He is soon to go into what we are working on today. He is fully wrapped up in that mega cave rock. See his tail right there? Yep, got an arrow to him. He is chilling in there, like big chilling. Look at that gourami. Leo is literally on the move right now. Our little fly river is getting so big. I cannot wait to get the fish out of that pond and put them into the pond out here. Oh my goodness, look at my yard from that intro. That is a disaster. But get them into this pond right here. It looks so good. Now, big news on this, big news. We're getting white tile and a lot of rock is being delivered from Carib Sea this week. Literally this week. And the next few days we're gonna be scaping this entire thing and getting those fish moved over. What do you think of this pond, Brenton?
Can you take a look at my thumbnail? I tried to clickbait everyone to see if they'd watch this video.
Yeah, let me see. That is definitely not what you caught.
No, not at all.
It looks good.
Oh, we could put one of those in here.
Yeah, we could. It would probably eat everything.
Yeah, it would be the only fish that goes in here.
That is crazy though, how big this is.
Can I get in it?
Yeah, you get in it. Try to show them how big this really is.
Dude, alright, so for starters, I'm 7 foot.
I was waiting for it.
Why do I feel like this is
bigger than the pond they're in?
I feel like it's the biggest pond you have.
I took the words right out of your mouth. No, it is massive. Look how tall you are. Realistically, you're probably 6'2".
Yeah.
And it is
dude,
massive.
It's way deeper than what I thought whenever I was watching the videos. It's a lot of water. There's gonna be and you don't have to worry about it cracking through a concrete slab. It's right in the ground. It's
right
like
in the ground.
Backyard pond.
Yep. Look at the little kitten. Hey, you are adorable. Like, so adorable. Oh, yeah, these 2 troublemakers over here. We got Rick and Morty. What's going on, Rick and Morty? What do you guys do? Whoa, hey. What's up, guys? How you doing? How you doing? And, of course, the goats. Hello, everyone. Little Baby, Boots, and King. The 3 that come up to me every time I walk up to the enclosure. Of course, we have Oscar as well right here. He comes up every once in a while. Emmy will just continue to be in the back, of course, with Mama Goat over here. What? Lady May and Mango. Lady May's probably gonna come on out. Yep. Hi, girl. What's going on? Over here, our school of... I said school. Our pod, our group of 11 pigs are doing amazing as well. This enclosure is my favorite. It's got both of these big old banyan trees in it. Lots of space for these pigs to just hang out, relax, just like Rosie. She's taking a plop right there. She's just chilling. Look who it is. The king of hunting out here. The one that leaves all the rats for us. What's up, Ginger Ninja? Now we can run over here real quickly before we get to work inside the building and show you guys our 3 other pigs that are on this side of the property. They gotten so big, these two. The coon right here staring at a concrete. I'm not sure, oh, maybe he was eating. And then of course our hog that has grown so much. Look at the little face on you. Hey, coon. You need to go to the dentist, buddy. You need to go to the dentist. And Babe over here. Oh, the flies are so bad on you, girl. Let me get you some spray. I hate the summertime. Owning a farm in the summertime, the flies start to get bad again. Winter is just, it's beautiful. Okay, that was like a really quick run through of the farm. I just wanted to show you guys that before we got started. Now, it's time. Hop on in. Yeah. Stepped on a snail.
Oh my god.
We're gonna make something really cool in the corner over here. And then after that, we've got a little bit of leftover rock down yonder. And we're gonna figure out what we can do with all of that. Again, these fish are much bigger. We're probably gonna do a very similar... You all right over there?
Yeah, I didn't know.
We're probably gonna make a very similar escape with this rock that we had before because it really was the way I liked it. Although I wanna turn this baby mama to where the fish can go in and out of this hole straight from the window's view. So if that makes sense, you'll figure it out here in a second. Now with all the leftover rock and of course the mangroves that we've got right here, this is beautiful. We're gonna make something really cool.
I don't think people understand the amount of silicone we used on this pond when we were building it. It's all holding up so well.
Dude, we built this from scratch,
like
bro.
From fiberglassing wood from scratch.
Yeah, we built these frames, Brenton. We did that.
Like these came together by us.
It's crazy.
If you want us to build your pond, call 469-40.
Dude, I've been thinking about it, really been thinking deeply about it. We can make our own pond building company.
I think we could come out and
build stuff like this.
We are going to charge just for like our mental sanity about $100,000 per build.
And that's totally worth it, to be honest.
Yeah.
You're going to get an aquarium this big, you're spending like $250,000.
We're
coming in there for $100K. Come on, baby mama. Good workout. Great workout. Boom. Nice and sturdy.
It already looks phenomenal.
It does look really good. That actually looks better than it did before. So I like doing things twice. Last but not least, this heavy mama. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is one, man.
Okay.
It's one. It's one. This is my idea behind this. It's not working. It's not working.
It's not working at all. That's a crazy idea.
I know.
Jesus.
It would be so cool if I got it. I want it to sit like that so bad.
That's crazy.
Dude, wouldn't that be sick?
I mean, with a unlimited amount of foam, we could make it sit like that and a little bit of holding time.
I think we...
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah! Dude, sick.
That looks crazy.
All right, I think we could literally just like move this rock a little and lock her in. Solid mama.
Solid mama.
We're gonna put this on top of that.
No, I'm not.
We're gonna put it right here, just like we had it last time. I really enjoyed the look of that. I liked it. Literally, we're just mimicking what we had before.
Kind of looks like you're in Arizona.
Yeah, we're in the mountains, baby. We're in the mountains. Not really changing much of what we had these guys. I'm gonna bring this one over there though. Sweet. Fish are gonna be so big they could literally knock that over. Like these are gonna be grouper, like massive grouper. Yeah. We just keep going.
The whole way through the video.
This is so fun to do. We can trim all this. We can trim all this at a different time. We need to. All right, now later we can come back and actually trim all that foam off, but that is literally just waterfall foam. You use it to seal rocks when you're doing a waterfall. I've had this can for so long, and I finally put it to use. But as you can see, check that out. I mean, we have sealed this, and that's so this doesn't fall. So once that's dried, it's gonna be very solid, and it won't move really, and we've connected every single piece that meets one rock to the other, and now it is locked down. I really like the view of that hole. Like, that just looks so unreal. Now we've done like the mangrove sticks in the corners. We've utilized those a little bit. We've got all the old rock that we've had We've got some new rock that we've gotten from Carib Sea. We're gonna just put that to use in a couple different spots. Not exactly sure where, but we're gonna make like little corner spots for some of the smaller fish that we get, because we're gonna get like schools of sergeant majors and really, really cool fish that we have plans to get. And that's what we're gonna use this rock that we're about to put in. But we have little caves like this. See that little like mini cave? And we're simply just gonna stack it like that. And then from there, just make piles in the corner. This is very, very sturdy, like it's not moving anywhere, and they can just go back there and literally hide in there. So a fish could take that turn and go hide back there, and there's little entrances to get in there, including that cave right there. So just little stuff like that, little additions. We've got a lot of rock to deal with, but we're just gonna make stuff out of all of it. With all these ridges, it's very easy to make a cave because they're just gonna set pretty much anywhere you put them. Like, look at that little cave. It's a little cave in there. And then a little spray foam in there. Nothing crazy, just enough to hold them together. One cave right there, another one right there. And they're more like clusters, so it's really just structured not only to hide our inverts, because we're gonna have inverts in here, but as well as, like I had said, if we get some eels, and maybe not only that, obviously they have the bigger structure that they can go in and out of. I know for a fact, an eel is gonna absolutely love right here. Right here, they're gonna sit inside of that, behind this. They're gonna sit in that. And also, just like the last pond, these eels can go up into these rocks. You see that hole? There's a big hole there, and all underneath is hollow as well, so they can go hide up in there too. But the eels are really gonna try to move in this. That's why it's very important that we foamed all this. God forbid anything happens. That wouldn't be a fun rock to fall right there, that's for sure. But I mean, we're looking pretty solid. We're looking pretty solid here. So inside the pond, we have the original main structure with a big old cave here, a hole at the top there. We'll cut all this foam back like I had mentioned. Around the pump over here, I put some little pieces of rock. That's all foamed, hides the pump a little bit. Our mangrove up there. As you can see over here as well, we have another mangrove there, a couple rocks spread out around there. Now these are all foamed. I just added this one over here in this corner, which looks really good. Nice little cave. Some spread out stones like that. Two big old rocks over here out here that just provides like a cool little vibe for the fish. More stones and caves all foamed over here. And then over here in this corner, more as well. So lots of structure now inside this pond. It's so much structure. I want these fish to be out roaming, moving around, swimming, obviously. I put a good amount, but not so much where we'll never see our eels and sharks and stuff like that. That is pretty much it. What a long video, what a crazy video. It was probably actually a shorter video, but a lot of it wasn't filmed. Escaping the new predatory fish pond. We have water coming for this in the very next video. It arrives Monday, and not only that, but tomorrow we get all this stuff for the outdoor pond. So lots of projects going on. Make sure you're subscribed down below. Smash the like button for me and share this with a friend. Brenton!
I was re-given birth to by a pool.
We were. We got it done, and that's all that matters. Don't forget to go to the link in the description and download Fishing Clash right now, or scan that QR code in the corner of the screen. This game is amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.